Exercise 5.4, question number 8. A gardener has 1,000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remain the same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So we can see that the condition given here is that number of rows is equals to number of columns, and the given number of plants with him is 1,000. Now we need to find that how many more he needs. Okay, that we need to find out. That means what should be added. Okay, now we see here that he needs to plant the trees in such a way that number of rows and number of columns remain equal. Let us say if there are 4 rows or 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, so there are 5 columns, right? So the total number of plants, suppose there are 5 rows and 5 columns, so total number of plants would be 5 into 5, that is 5 square. So in a similar way, if we assume that he has planted in x number of rows, so there are x number of columns, so total number of plants he requires, total number of plants that he requires would be x into x, that is x square. Okay, so the number should be a square number. Now we see that 1,000 is not a square number. Now what we need to find out, that what should be added, how many more plants he need to make it a perfect square. So we need to find out the square root with long division method. So here we go, 1,000, we make a pair. The number square number less than 10 is 9. 3 threes are 9. After subtraction we get 1 here and 2 zeros are carried over here, plus 3, that is 6 here. Now we will write down 1 here and 1 here. So what do we have? 61. After subtraction we get 39. So we can see that this 1,000, it is greater than 31's square, but it's less than 32's square. Okay, now, so for that, we need to find out the square of 32. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the square of 32 we get is 1024. So here we can see that 1,000 is less than 1024. Now, how many more plants he need? That 4. Okay, to make it a perfect square so that number of rows and number of columns become equal. So our answer is that 24 plants he needs more. Okay, and the number of rows or number of columns, that would be how much? So we can write here that 1024 is root of 1024 is 32. So there would be 32 rows and 32 columns.